We're back and we're touring more luxury new constructions. If you're new to the channel, I'm Connor Downey, your Atlanta real estate agent. And if you've missed me, yes, I was away. I got married. I was on honeymoon in Australia, Bali, and Japan. So I was gone for 21 days. If you want more information on that, I'd be happy to post a video. Just comment down below. But everybody else is here for real estate, and that's what we're going to talk about. I'm sure some of you just want to go ahead and get straight into the tour. So go ahead and skip this part. For those of you who want information on what's going on inside, I'm going to cover that right now. So these units are 2,000 square feet, offering 3-bedroom and 3.5 bath with a standard rooftop terrace included. HOA includes $250 a month payment, but that has you getting covered for your structural maintenance, your ground maintenance, you have tennis, you have swim, and that includes the cost of your trash. So while an HOA can be pricey and sometimes doesn't benefit you, this one is fairly priced and actually offers a number of amenities you may be interested in. Now, I want you all to keep in mind, this community is well under $1 million as opposed to the other community we previously toured, which was almost $1 million located in Bindings. This location is still extraordinarily prime. It is off of Piedmont Avenue, and this thing is super duper convenient. I'm talking like 15 minutes to Buckhead, 15 minutes to Midtown. You can still get to Duluth and Lawrenceville in under 30 minutes. You can get to the airport in under 30 minutes. And ultimately, that is what you are paying for. It does have a very minimalist aspect to the community, but a lot of people these days are looking for less so that they can live more. You can have less time in your car and more time with your family. You can have less time trying to get to the airport and more time traveling. That is what people are being charged for. So as promised, we're going to get into it. Welcome to the Beckham community at Morningside. This luxury townhome community is brought to you by Toll Brothers. It was started in 2023 and they are edging near completion now that we're at the end of 2024. As you can see, every single unit offers a 2-car garage, luxury finishes, and very soon they're going to have pool and several other amenities. So we're going to go ahead and get inside here. As you can see, there's an agent on duty. This lovely lady's name is Samantha Pino, and we're super grateful for her getting us in here. She is a rock star, and don't hesitate to reach out to me or her if you're looking to move to these Toll Brothers communities. Where Samantha is sitting is actually a natural flex space. So on your first floor, you have a room option. You can use it as a nursery, an extra office, whatever it is that you need, just storage. Very simple, very easy. You have a standard coat closet on this floor, being used as the Toll Brothers little open house sign for now. And as you guys can see, this would have been the garage. Right now it's being used as the builder's office. Don't mind him, he was just taking his lunch break. I know, handsome guy, looking charming, being our model. But yes, these builders are working hard, guys. Please don't undermine their work. You know, we are extremely behind on new constructions, especially ones of this high quality. So even if you have your complaints, feel free to share them, but these guys are doing their best. So luxury wood, hardwood floors are natural, 3-inch planking, light wash. This is not standard in most new constructions anymore. You're gonna get those LVP throughout. And once you get up to your second floor, you have your living and entertainment space. It's featuring this rock star kitchen with these brilliant countertops, natural stone. You're not having porcelain, you're not having butcher block, you're getting the high quality finishes. This excellent gas stove, rocking with 5 burners in case you need to cook a turkey dinner and a souffle and all those other things all at once. Very deep sink. I wanted to make sure you guys noticed that. Again, these are very small details that really come together to create a luxury finish. The fact that you can have a clear entertainment space, you can have plenty of people. This table sits 8. I mean, that's outstanding if you're having a lot of people and you're entertaining consistently. This half bath is very cute. It's been modeled excellently. It's very convenient being right off of the kitchen. People can wash their hands simply. And you have a very nice walk-in pantry. It's got several shelves, at least 5, and you could probably go up 1 more if you needed more storage. Right here, we do have the utility closet. As for the hot water heater, I needed to go clockwise on the knob. But this is about 50 gallons. I don't think you would ever want or need for hot water. And then again, just check out this living space with the connected dining room with these beautiful aesthetic windows. I love that they're from floor to ceiling. It's got an excellent L shape, gives a lot of light, a lot of natural light. That's important. Again, the recessed lighting is great. I love it, but I'm a natural light fiend. Keep that electric bill low. And again, this has a very nice view. Some people don't like street views. I'm a people watcher. I like to see the cars going by. I like to hear the sound. I just like to know I'm not alone. So this house has 4 floors. We came in on the first floor, just finished up on the second floor. We are now headed to the 3rd floor, which rocks most of your bedrooms. So on this floor, you have 3 bedrooms. We're going to start obviously with the linen closet because, that's where you stick your least favorite child. You guys need to know how big the linen closet is. I think you could fit 2 kids in there. All jokes aside, they do have ample space for children. This room is very well suited for a nursery. I don't know that it's very well suited for much more than that or an office space. These rooms are very much so inclined to a minimalist aspect or a transitional family. Maybe this is going to be your first home. You're not quite ready to get a single family home or maintain an acre of land. This is a good fit for you. Before we head over to this other bedroom, I'll show you guys just another little detail. You have a stackable washer and dryer. So again, it's a very minimalist style of home, and I use all the space as efficiently as possible. And this is your full bath on this floor. It's just enough space. It could be a little nicer, but I think that they have extremely high ceilings. If you were 7 foot tall, this would be no problem. You would still be comfortable. You wouldn't be bumping your head. This is a nice little bonus room. Again, it could make a great office. It can fit a larger bed. It might be good for a preteen, someone transitioning out of the house. Again, this is very accommodating towards a young family, people who may be looking for a vacation rental, or things like that. Everything is very fairly sized. I wouldn't say it's grandiose, but it's going to get the job done. You're going to have very, very great convenience to the things that you want to do in the city. You'll be able to get to the Eye Museum, or you'll be able to get to the Mercedes-Benz Stadium, or Wagaya Market, or all the fresh things that you need to do, like DeKalb Farmers Market. These are very convenient amenities by having this home, and I typically think that's what people are paying for. This room here is actually going to be the master, or the primary as people have been calling it these days. It does offer a full walk-in closet. I'm going to step in here for all of you, do a little twirl, make sure you know that I could fit. And with this room, they did add a bonus closet. Again, it's just enough. I wouldn't say there's anything extra. So if you don't like cleaning or you don't want too much space, this is a very minimalist aspect that is offered by this home. Again, this being the primary or master, it's going to have an attached bathroom. Luxury finishes again. You've got granite on the vanity. You've got tiles finishing all the way up to the wall, over 7 feet tall. You have natural tiles on the floor. And again, these aren't common anymore. This may have seemed like the simplest thing that you could do back in the day, but material costs have gone up. To do these finishes are now considered luxury. Don't forget it, guys. So we are headed up to our 4th floor. This is the terrace. This is included on all models, no matter what you get. Some of the layouts are slightly different, maybe offering slightly more size. However, it's very pleasant. If you wanted to do an Airbnb that's isolated, they'd have their own sitting area, they'll have their own private bathroom. Up here, you have a couple more stuff. It's just your HVAC, brand new furnace, looking real clean, looking real nice. It's gonna make sure you stay warm, make sure that you stay cool on all 4 of these floors. This is the largest bathroom, even though it's on the terrace level and could be considered a guest bathroom. It's got the most space, gives you the most airy feeling, and again, it still has those 7 foot tall ceilings. This terrace level bedroom is also going to be the biggest in the house. Again, it's not the primary, it's not the master, but it definitely gives the feeling. It doesn't have a walk-in closet, but this would be a really good spot for your teenager. They just wanted to feel like they got privacy and that they never had to see you. This would be a great room. Honestly, it's very comfortable. If I was a guest staying on this floor, I would really, really, really much so enjoy it. So we're gonna go outside now. And I really like this rooftop deck, terrace, whatever you guys want to call it, because you can have some really nice barbecues. I don't know if you'd want to set up your beer pong tables up here, because if you lose that pong ball, it's definitely going to the ground, and I'm not going down 4 floors to get it. But honestly, this unit is great value for $768,000. I think the convenience of the location is really the epitome of why this community is going to be successful. And if you're looking for that minimalist aspect in your life, I'm certainly not the one to judge you, but you'll get it from this community and you won't regret it. If you're moving to Atlanta, Georgia, don't hesitate to reach out to me and my team. We are always working with the luxury community and happy to provide you guys excellent service. Subscribe to the channel for more content.